Hello, and welcome to the Great Garden channel. Have you ever dreamed of a blooming garden filled with hundreds of flowers in all kinds of colors and varieties? To achieve that, it's not just about having good plants or beautiful pots. It's even more important how you care for, nurture, and understand every little need of your plants. Today, I'm going to share with you a super simple fertilizer recipe using common ingredients that anyone can make. When applied correctly, you'll notice plump, white roots growing vigorously, healthy plants with glossy green leaves, and most importantly, long-lasting blooms, ready for a vibrant flowering season in your garden. Let's get started. To make this type of fertilizer, we will use beer. Beer contains many nutrients such as B vitamins, beneficial yeasts, and natural sugars, which help stimulate strong root growth, promote lush green leaves, and encourage more abundant blooming. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. I use 100 milliliters of beer and pour it into a clean glass cup. Then add 500 milliliters of clean room temperature water to dilute the solution. Next, stir well so the mixture blends together. And that's it. The solution is now ready to use as an organic fertilizer. Let's apply it right away to your orchids. Method 1. First, I pour the beer solution into a specialized watering can. Then, start watering directly at the base of the orchid, applying it once a week. This solution helps the roots grow quickly and strongly. Beer contains many natural nutrients that support metabolic processes and increase the plant's vitality. Beer also has mild antibacterial properties, helping reduce fungal infections and pests while improving the plant's overall health. This method provides a natural source of organic nutrients, making it especially suitable for orchids that have been planted for a long time but haven't bloomed yet. It helps boost their vitality and prepares them for the next blooming season. For Anthurium, you can apply it the same way as you do with orchids. Gently water around the base of the plant, allowing the beer solution to slowly seep into the growing medium, nourish the roots, and provide comprehensive nutrients. Beer helps the roots of the Anthurium grow strong, keeps the leaves glossy green, and provides mild antibacterial support, reducing fungal diseases and pests. Apply it once a week, and once the plant becomes healthy, you can reduce it to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain stable nutrition. Method 2. Pour the beer solution into a spray bottle and mist it evenly over the entire plant, including the leaves, stems, roots, and leaf axils. It's best to do this in the early morning so the leaves can dry quickly by midday. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. It's spraying the beer solution helps stimulate root growth, keep the leaves glossy green, and prevent certain harmful insects. You should spray both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves so the solution can penetrate deeply and evenly, helping clean the leaves, enhance photosynthesis, and encourage strong overall growth. This method should be done once a week during the first month, then reduced to once a month to maintain long-term effectiveness. After each spray, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes so the roots and leaves can absorb the nutrients. If any solution remains on the leaves or in the leaf axils, use a soft cloth or clean cotton to gently wipe it off. This step is very important because standing moisture can create a favorable environment for fungal diseases. Once the leaves are dried, you have proactively prevented harmful agents, reduced the risk of leaf rot and crown rot, and helped your orchid stay healthy with thick, glossy, vibrant foliage. Besides orchids, you can also mist peace lily. Gently spray around the base of the plant. When misted, the apple peel and B1 solution directly provides essential nutrients to the roots, helping them grow strong and absorb efficiently. At the same time, it boosts the plant's resistance, reduces fungal diseases, bacteria, and pests, and stimulates new shoots and leaf stems to grow evenly, keeping the plant lush and healthy. You should spray once a week during the recovery period, then reduce it to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain stable nutrition for the plant. Because peace lily has thick and firm leaves, you don't need to wipe them after spraying. The nutrients from the misted solution will naturally be absorbed through the leaves and nourish the plant from the inside. For the remaining solution, I will pour it into an ice tray for long-term storage. Then, freeze it to preserve all the nutrients. When the solution freezes into small ice cubes, many people tend to place the frozen cubes directly at the base of the plant. This is completely wrong. Instead, put 3 to 5 ice cubes into a cup and wait about 15 minutes for them to melt. When the water reaches room temperature, pour the melted solution into each orchid pot. Once the water reaches the appropriate temperature, we can proceed to water the base of the plant. The nutrients and natural organic compounds from the beer will be easily absorbed by the plant, helping the roots grow strong, boosting resistance, and stimulating glossy green leaves with vibrant, healthy growth. After watering, place the plant in a well-ventilated area where it can receive fresh air, but make sure to avoid direct sunlight. This helps the roots and leaves absorb nutrients effectively while preventing heat stress or sunburn. Method 3. Do you often eat bananas? After eating the banana, I will make use of the banana peel. Wiping the leaves helps remove dust and residues on the surface, allowing the leaves to absorb light more effectively for photosynthesis. At the same time, it limits bacteria, mold, and pests, keeping the leaves clean, glossy, and healthy. Beer contains natural compounds that help stimulate metabolism, provide vitamins and minerals, and enhance the vitality of the leaves while also supporting the plant's ability to resist diseases. It is recommended to wipe both sides of the leaves so the nutrients can penetrate deeply, making the leaves thicker, healthier, and naturally glossy. This method should be done 1 to 2 times a week to keep the leaves clean, improve photosynthesis, reduce fungal infections, and support sustainable plant growth without damaging the leaf tissue. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Results after 2 months. After being cared for with this natural method, the orchid's roots have grown stronger than ever. You will easily notice many new roots emerging, plump, white, healthy, and firmly anchored to the medium, allowing the plant to absorb water and nutrients optimally. This is the most important foundation for the entire orchid to maintain long-lasting vitality and grow evenly. The leaves have also changed noticeably. Deeper green, glossy, and thicker. Newly grown leaves are full of life, carry out photosynthesis efficiently, nourish all the young shoots, and support the synchronized development of the plant. You can see each leaf becoming robust and supple, yet still firm, clearly reflecting the excellent health of the plant after proper care. In particular, flower buds and spikes develop evenly, strong and full of energy, ready to produce vibrant blooms. Buds appear abundantly, plump, with bright and long-lasting colors. Flowers bloom one after another, creating an orchid pot that is radiant and full of vitality for many weeks. For other plants such as anthuriums and peace lilies, the results are equally impressive. The flowers bloom longer, with vibrant and lasting colors. The leaves are glossy, healthy, thick, and firm. The root system develops evenly and robustly, allowing the plants to absorb nutrients effectively, boost natural resistance, and reduce the risk of fungal infections. Enjoy every moment of caring for your orchids. Watch their daily changes, and feel the joy of seeing them grow healthy and strong. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss upcoming videos with orchid care tips and plant nurturing secrets using natural ingredients. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye, and see you in the next video on the Great Garden channel, where we bring you the most effective and natural plant care tips.